Alright, so today guys I'm going to take a look at something I bought off Amazon. It's from Gerber. It's a GDC money clip, and it's integrated with a fine edge knife. And it says it does have a lifetime warranty for North America only. So this is interesting because it's a money clip that has integrated into it a knife. And so you'd push down here and pull out, and now you have your knife. And that blade length is 1.7 inches. The overall length of this whole thing, the money clip, is 3.7 inches, and the weight is 2.9 ounces. The steel type is 7CR17MOV, and the handle material is anodized aluminum. The locking mechanism, button, and internals are nylon. So obviously here you see the money clip portion. And when you push in on that button, that's what will release the knife. Now it does state that this holds 4 credit cards and 4 folded bills. Now here's somebody that had quite a review of this on Amazon, and it says, per design, this is the biggest con. The more you put in the clip, the harder it is to pull out the knife. Right now I have my ID, debit card, and about $9 bills in my clip. My knife literally can't be pulled out because of the way the lock mechanism works. It has to click down lower than the knife to allow the knife to release, which it can't do when there's 9 bills folded in half and 2 cards in it. Now, as stated, it says holds 4 credit cards and 4 folded bills. I'm going to try something. I've got 10 bills here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I've got 10 bills. And then I've got 2 credit cards. In fact, that's all I have to my name is 2 credit cards. I don't need any more than that. A Discover card and a MasterCard. And we will put that in here like such. And now when you push down, if you push down, it will come out. Now obviously it is snug versus when you have nothing in there, but it will come out. So like I said, I don't have any more credit cards or anything else that I can put in there, but it is clear that it says 4 credit cards and 4 folded bills. So I'm going to assume with 2 more credit cards, that's probably correct, and it probably will be a somewhat snug fit. So let's try 6 bills. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll try 6 of those, and then we'll do 2 credit cards. And it is much easier, less resistance. So let's take a close-up look at this. Now this front side here, it is stated to be a textured G10 composite front plate with non-slip grip. And then this is what would unlock the knife from this holder. And then of course, the back side with the actual clip. And you'll note that this plate, which is screwed on, this whole piece is actually the clip, the backing plate, and this piece is all one, and then again it is attached to these front pieces. So it is kind of a cool setup the way they've got that designed. So let's check out this knife. Now, as you can see in use, it's got this area here that's cut in so that you can hold this right or left-handed and grip it without it sliding out of your hand. Well, guys, pretty cool little item. I give this an A+.